If you're looking to customize SuiteDash contracts for your business needs, you're in the right place. SuiteDash offers a lot of customization options, but if you're not sure how to take full advantage of them, you might be missing out on some really helpful features. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to customize SuiteDash contracts in a way that suits your specific business requirements, and by the end, you'll know how to create contracts that actually work for you. First, let's dive into the contract customization dashboard. Once you're logged into SuiteDash, navigate to the contract section in the admin menu. Here, you'll see a list of templates that SuiteDash provides. But don't just settle for the default ones. This is where the customization magic happens. SuiteDash allows you to edit every part of the contract, from the text content to the structure. Next, let's talk about adding your own branding. SuiteDash allows you to upload your logo and choose your brand colors, which will be automatically applied to all of your contracts. This ensures your contracts are professionally branded and instantly recognizable to clients, adding a level of credibility. But the customization doesn't stop there. You can add or remove sections based on your business needs. Whether you need more detailed clauses or simplified terms, SuiteDash allows you to tailor the contract structure to your needs. The third thing you'll want to check out is conditional logic. This feature is especially useful if you offer different contract terms based on client or project type. For instance, if you're working on a different pricing model for different clients, you can set conditions to display specific terms based on the client's profile. This automation not only saves you time, but ensures accuracy across multiple contracts. Setting up this logic is easy, and you can quickly adjust it if your business evolves. Next, let's talk about electronic signatures. SuiteDash makes it easy to have clients sign contracts digitally, which is crucial for keeping everything streamlined. You can either place signature blocks in specific spots or let SuiteDash auto-position them based on your template. This ensures that clients don't miss the crucial parts of the contract and reduces any back and forth. Plus, SuiteDash automatically stores these signed contracts for you, making them easy to access when needed. The fifth thing to consider is integrating your contracts with invoicing and payments. SuiteDash offers seamless integration, so once a client signs a contract, you can immediately send them an invoice. It also allows for payment tracking, making sure you're paid on time without needing to manually follow up. Now, while SuiteDash offers a lot of great features, it's not without its flaws. Some users find the contract customization process to be a bit clunky, especially when it comes to more advanced features like conditional logic or workflow automation. And if you're not tech-savvy, there can be a learning curve. But if you stick with it, it can definitely be worth it. However, if you're looking for something even more intuitive or better suited for specific types of business workflows, there are a few alternatives that might be a better fit. For example, software like Honeybook or Dubsado allows for easy contract creation with streamlined workflows that can save time for businesses that need to send out a lot of contracts quickly. Now, I'm not saying SuiteDash is bad, it's just that there are some other solutions that may be a better fit depending on your specific business needs. And as promised, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you can get an extended free trial for SuiteDash, but I've also included a link to some of the alternatives I mentioned, and they also come with free trials. That way, you can find a solution that truly works for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link for the best deals and trials available only for our viewers.